Hi guys, today I have Realme C67 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that is opening Google application. In it, 3 dots on the right corner, and now we scroll down to the settings option. In it, password manager, and there we have some options which we can turn on and turn off as save passwords, auto sign-in by switch, and we can manage our Google passwords, in this case to our Facebook account. To manage it, we press there, and now we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this eyes icon, our smartphone shows us password which we remember. We can also custom it by tap there and add some words or delete some. We can also delete all what our smartphone remember by trash icon and confirm all by delete passwords, and now we don't have any saved passwords. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.